Hi guys, welcome to Techbehold. Do subscribe to the channel, to get more analysis on technological advancement and innovations in the world. In this new video, we will know everything about HTTP/3, bit of its past, why does HTTP/3 matters, aspects, its drawbacks, benefits, and its confrontations. So without any further delay, let's begin with what is HTTP/3? It is the third and impending main version of the hypertext transfer protocol that shares data on the World Wide Web alongside HTTP/1.1, and acquired by the IETF Internet Engineering Task Force as a current substitute for HTTP/2. It is a combination of multiple technologies that leads together to enhance both speed and security when accessing information on the web. This new technology sends data more instantly, is a smaller amount vulnerable to errors, and reduces latency in order that the location will be loading quickly once you click the link. Many leading websites including Google, YouTube, Netflix, and also as top internet services including Akamai and Cloudflare are already running Quick. According to W3TECHS, 8% of the highest 10 million websites supports this protocol. Browsers that supports HTTP/3 are Safari 14, on Mac OS Big Sur, the primary browser enabled by default Google. Chrome Canary, if launched with the enable quick and quick version equals H3-24 command line arguments. Mozilla Firefox Nightly, via the network.http.http3. Enabled preference in about config. In case of servers, Lightspeed Enterprise Web Server, Nginx, Caddy, Open Lightspeed, and in content delivery network, Quick.Cloud Cloudflare. Now, let's go through a bit of its past. Adopted by the Quick Working Party, the first project was named HTTP/2 Semantics using the Quick Transport Protocol, and later named HTTP over Quick. By the way, Quick is a transport layer protocol designed in 2012 by Jim Reskind at Google, with the intention of reducing connection and transport latency, also as providing bandwidth estimation in each direction to avoid congestion. The Quick Working Party was established in 2016 to standardize the protocol within the web, and in October 2018, the IETF's HTTP and Quick Working Groups jointly decided to call the HTTP mapping over Quick HTTP/3, proceeding to create it a worldwide standard. The IETF branched Quick into what's referred to as the IETF Quick or IQUIC, which bases its encryption and security on TLS 1.3, rather than the custom approach employed by GQUIC. Why does HTTP/3 matters? HTTP/3 protocol optimizes space obstruction control over user datagram protocol, UDP. Using HTTP/3 solves the TCP head-of-line blocking problem that was still present in HTTP/2, which should translate to perceived improvements for little, time-sensitive requests that are quite common with API and mobile app traffic. Web infrastructure technology, that is the web servers, web browsers, etc. are being updated to support HTTP/3, and cache-in of, reduced latency and better handling of packet errors. Now, aspects. Exclusive use of HTTPS URLs. HTTP/3 also has built-in encryption, so there's no got to have a separate designation. It runs TLS, Transport Layer Security, 1.3 encryption that puts the S in HTTPS. A significantly reduced number of knowledge packets, since runs over parallel streams. Forward error correction, which are already been done at the Quick level. This newest HTTP protocol creates one connection capable of sending multiple streams of language like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and pictures at an equivalent time. It is also determined to simplify the TCP handshake. It may be a three-way handshake, hi, hi again, okay you bought my hi, alike. Drawbacks. The major drawback of HTTP/3 in present is high CPU consumes both on the client and server sides. Lack of TLS authentication. Control options of providers are going to be limited by HTTP/3. Promised benefits includes dramatically reduced connection establishment time, better security through mandatory encryption, improved congestion control, multiplexing without head-of-line blocking, forward error correction, connection migration, reduced bandwidth consumption. Now it's confrontations. Software built to support quick and HTTP/3 remains new and rapidly evolving. Transit providers between networks or maybe ISPs may run middle boxes that have historically been hostile to UDP traffic. Enabling quick for several server operators is complicated. In conclusion, HTTP/3 is a superlative protocol. However, in current implementation, it still features a lot to iterate upon, while the promise of quick and UDP are more likely to amend what HTTP/3 will impact in approaching years. So, what do you think about quick and HTTP/3? Will this be the protocol of the longer term, or is it simply a framework instead of a replacement to standard? Thanks for watching the video.